What's going on, programmers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll continue learning more about while loops, and I want to introduce you to 2 or 3 more keywords which can be used in loops. One is break and one is continue. So these are 2 good keywords which are pretty much helpful in coding, and in Python how can we use these keywords. So today we'll be learning about the break keyword, and I'll show you that. So first let's make a new file with the name of direction, and we'll write a brand new code for that. And so I'll explain you the code what it does. So what we are planning is that we'll make a list which contains 4 directions. So basically the situation is that the player is in a room and he wants to get out of the room. So for that he has to choose any of the directions, right? And then we'll loop over those directions and we'll see if the user gets the correct direction, right? So we'll make a list with the name of directions equal to north, east, we forgot the south and west, and we'll make a variable with the name of chosen underscore direction, and we'll leave it as an empty string, right? And we'll create a while loop while chosen direction not in direction. Chosen direction will be equal to int input, will be equal to input, So let's see what our program looks like as of now. We'll run the program and we have to choose a direction. We'll go for up, which is not in the list. We'll go for down. We'll go for left. And so these are the wrong guesses, basically the wrong answers. Let's put north in here, and we shall break out of the loop, right? Because the loop is completed, because what we chose north, right? So north, the chosen direction was set equal to north, which we had put in here. And since now the chosen direction is in direction, so since the direction is a list, if the value of chosen is in the direction, then the loop will end, the condition will come out true false, right? So now what we have to do is we want to make the user quit the program. So somehow let's say that he does not want to get out of the room, right? So if he wants to quit the program, then how can we put a system to quit the game, right? So what we'll do is that we'll create an if situation here, that if chosen direction is equal to quit, then we have to continue, then we have to break, right? We'll run again, and direction, let's say up, which is wrong. So now I want to quit the game, right? So if I type quit and press enter, then the program will finish. So what is happening, that the break keyword is finishing the program. It is helping us to break out of the while loop. So when the break keyword is executed in a loop, so it helps us to get out of the loop, right? That's what's happening here. So now similarly, first we saw the implementation of break in while loop. Now we'll see the same for loop. What we'll do is that we'll iterate over the list directions. So for that we'll have to write is for directions in direction, and if directions is equal to, so basically equality sign, it's equal to south, let's say, then we have to break the program, or we have to get out of the program, right? So I'll just comment out the while loop and run the program again. Something is wrong, I think. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, I forgot to print out the directions and on which we are iterating through. Sorry. So when we run the program, we get to see north, east, and south. And after south, we do not see west, which means that we are broken out of the program. The for loop is not continuing and it is not iterating over west. So what we'll do is to verify that yes, we are being broken out of the program, we'll print out of loop, and this will print out of the block for the for loop, right? So when will this print be executed? When the for loop is not running, when we are out of the for loop, right? So now when we run the program, we see that after south, out of loop is being printed, which means that yes, we are surely out of the loop and west is not being iterated over here. So that's it for this video. In this video, we saw that how can we use break in loops, both for loop and while loop. I hope that you were able to understand the meaning of break and will be able to use it clearly. And if you have any doubts, make sure to use the comment section. I'll surely reply your comment. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep programming.
Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look the other way, and we all deal with our pain.